Right then, here we've got the 2018 VW Caravelle. Let's have a look around it. Fresh in, with twin electric sliding doors. 7-seater. Let's have a look inside. The seat's actually in layback mode at the moment, but we'll move that in a minute. So these seats here swivel around. Let's shut the door. There you go. This pops up here, see if we can do it one-handed. I can, excellent. And these pop up like so. I've got to turn it a bit actually, let's have a look. That's right. So there we go, you've got a little table in the middle which slides down here. High, low, cup holders, etc. Lights in the roof. These are for kids really, but they do detach, no problem at all. Like I said, I've just spun the seats round, so they do spin round and obviously face forward. At the moment, you've got the I would call the meeting area, you could say. And if you look at that, that's good, isn't it, for kids? Little bolster seat. 2 hand needed, so I'll leave that on the upright for a minute. You've got here, you've got the blinds all round. Set me gun on here. Let's have a look. Electric doors. And if you go up front, we've got the twin captain seats up here. Only 49,000 miles. Sat Nav, and the main thing, automatic DSG. So you've got the air conditioning, heated leather seats up front, electric door buttons there. Nice dashboard. And with the soft dash. Storage. Let's have a look at the rear. Nice day today. There we go. We'll see how this moves forward. I won't attempt to spin the seats around because I think it's a two-handed job, but you get the gist, just like an idea. So before you come and view it, you can have a quick look at the video, so you get an idea of what it's like. Nice mileage, 7-seater, travelling style. Recently just had 4 new tyres. Oh, it's got the reversing camera there. If you look there, brand spankers. Front and rear parking sensors. All the trimmings. I think these were a big bucks new as well. But there we go. Cheers. More information, openroadcars.co.uk.